Today I will quickly show how you as an investment analyst can use Statista's MCP server to put our verified data into your AI environment. Let's say your managing director pinged you. They need market sizing within the hour. Now, what you could do is go to Claude and type the following. What is the addressable market for luxury skincare in the US with 5-year projections? In seconds, you get an overview, detailed context, and a chart with market sizing and forecast values. And this works because of our new context layer, which we apply to all Statista metrics. Now, I am using Claude for this demo, but this works the same way in LangDoc, Perplexity, or any MCP-compatible chatbot. No matter which one you use, this new layer helps the chatbot understand exactly where to pull Statista data from. And from here on, you can download the data and drop the chart directly into your deck, ready for your valuation slides. Now you can spend less time researching and more time building the story behind the deal. Statista Connect, trusted data meets AI efficiency, right where investment decisions happen.